Hey everyone! Today I'm bringing you the most detailed guide on the net for installing the AMS Lift Rack. This dual-tier rack fits your Bamboo Lab P1, P2, X1, and X2D series printers perfectly.
Here is the stuff we'll be using.
No more talking, grab your printed parts, accessories, and screws, and let's get right to work. Step 1. Setting up the base riser. Gather the 4 pieces of the riser. Connect and tighten them using the butterfly joints and BT3 by 8mm screws. Next, use 3 BT3 by 12mm screws to secure the top area of the riser. Apply the adhesive anti-vibration foam on top and trim any excess with scissors. Next, seat the entire riser firmly onto the top of your printer. Grab the 7 tie-down hooks and lock the riser to the printer frame using BT3 by 12mm screws. Pay close attention here. The hook marked with the letter F must be installed right in the front. Now, let's finish the LED setup. You must check your printer model. If you have an X1 or P1, use the 5-volt strip. For a P2 or X2D, use the 24-volt strip. Snap the connection wires into the crystal wire connector first. Then wrap the LED strip all the way around the inside of the riser. If you have extra strip, cut it off, but only cut exactly down the middle of the copper pads. Step 2. Assembling the core AMS sliding base. Take the bottom AMS mounting bracket and install the drawer slides using the 3 included flathead self-tapping screws. Next, secure the bearing shafts to the base using 16 BT3 by 8mm screws. Connect both halves of the AMS base together, locking them down with 1 BT3 by 12mm screw and a butterfly joint. Install the drawer slide on the other side using 4 more flathead self-tapping screws. Now, let's install the support arms. Mount the arms onto the base. Make sure the side marked rear faces the back and all printed text faces inward. This is a very tight fit. If you can't press it down by hand, I highly recommend using a bench vise, a G-clamp, or tapping it gently with a rubber mallet. Once the arms are fully seated, lock the bearing caps down using 2 BT3 by 18mm screws. Step 3. Assembling the upper rack and merging the base. Using the exact same method, press the lifter bars into the top AMS bracket. Double check your alignment. If it's tight, bring back your vise or rubber mallet. Secure the bearing caps with 2 BT3 by 18mm screws. Next, use the included round head self-tapping screws to mount the gas strut hardware to both the rear support arm and the front of the AMS base. Snap the gas struts on both sides right into place. Now, place this entire assembly onto the printer's base riser. Drive 4 BT3 by 12mm screws into the back support rack to lock it down. Insert your extension modules on both sides depending on your needs. Use 8 BT3 by 18mm screws to firmly bolt the whole AMS base and extension modules to the riser. If you are using the AMS HT module on the side, don't forget to link the top and the base together with BT3 by 12mm screws. Final step, moving our AMS units onto their thrones. Place your first AMS on the bottom rack and secure it with 2 to 4 BT3 by 12mm screws. Then, place the second AMS on the top rack and secure it with 4 BT3 by 8mm screws. If you're using the AMS HT module, secure each unit with 3 BT3 by 12mm screws instead. With all screws in place, follow the wiring diagram on screen to plug in all AMS data cables and PTFE tubes. And you are completely done. Just look at those dual AMS units neatly stacked right above your printer. Smooth lifting, maximum space utilization. Don't you just love that feeling of absolute accomplishment? Thanks for watching, and happy printing!